right, Barry.
Yeah.
Close your eyes. You're at Magic Kingdom. It's 1994. What if I told you Magic Kingdom was going to have a ride with a Nine Inch Nails score?
Would you mean the band that has the single Closer from the Downward Spiral?
That band, yes.
I would not believe you.
Well, guess what?
Here it is.
It's happened. Tron Ares made its debut today at the Magic Kingdom, the overlay for Tron Lightcycle Run. Barry and I are here. We're gonna go ride it. We're gonna film the ride. As you can see, spooky red lights. So, Barry, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go ride that Tron Lightcycle like an animal.
The red kind of bleeds through.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Yep. Here we go.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Wow. That red is
Team
so
Blue.
red.
Very red.
Proceed to gates.
That is very red.
It's very red. So red.
I may like this more than the original, I have a feeling. There was a lot of people saying that. Here it comes.
Here it comes.
So it starts off normal.
Yep. Uh-oh.
That is so
That's so
awesome.
badass.
I love it.
That's so badass.
All right, Barry.
Oh my God, I feel naked.
Yeah.
Where's my hat?
The launch is different. We got red, but it seems like the rest of this queue is the same. Pretty much the same. So pretty much I think the ride itself and the launch and obviously the dome are got the red involved from.
But even when we were outside, as the train launched and went outside, we could hear that Nine Inch Nails thump.
You can definitely hear the Nine Inch Nails music thumping as it goes outside and under the canopy. So I'm gonna be very excited to hear it on the ride. So we're getting there. I can't wait. Barry, here we go.
It's almost time.
Do you think you're gonna like this more or classic Lightcycle Run? What do you think? It's Nine Inch Nails.
It's Nine Inch Nails.
Come on. I like the red. I love Nine Inch Nails. I'm leaning towards this version. Too bad it's only temporary.
Is this the first day of our last day? Who knows?
This whole video is just gonna be Barry quoting Nine Inch Nails
Yes.
songs. Starts off normal music.
Users, prepare for upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Detecting malicious code, no concern.
I am Master Control and have taken over. Your new directive, spread my code throughout the grid. Do so or be de-rezzed. Launch in 3, 2, 1. First gate captured.
Oh yeah, this is awesome.
Gate 3. Ignore them. Keep going. 4. 3 more gates. Excellent work.
That
The
Nine
grid
Inch
is now
Nails
mine.
music adds. Sorry, I feel like I'm
Negative. Malicious code
betraying Daft
neutralized.
Punk.
Great work, Team
Sorry,
Blue.
Daft Punk,
Your
I
run
still love
helped us
you.
track and eliminate his program.
Oh man, that was good. When that music hits, when you go up into the building, you can definitely hear the Nine Inch Nails kick in. So good. Yeah, I like this version better.
Watch yourself as you dismount an exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
All right, Barry, instant reaction. What'd you think?
Oh my God. I think I like that version better. So cool, so badass.
What's his name taking over?
Master Control.
Master Control, thank you. Yeah, Master Control is back. Like I guess, was he a villain?
Yeah.
Antagonist, yeah, villain, yeah.
Villain.
He's back, he's taking over the ride. And then you got the Nine Inch Nails music.
So cool.
I actually think I like this version better.
Yeah.
When you can kind of hear the Nine Inch Nails music when you launch, and then you kind of lose sound, you lose the audio of it, but when you go up into the building, it kicks in
Yeah.
really, really loud, and I got goosebumps. So yeah, like this version. Keep this version, Disney.
Yeah. Awesome.
Okay, as everybody knows, I love filming this ride because it's so photogenic, but with the new red lighting, I'm trying to get red light with the new, or the red dome with the red train.
We've come so close.
And
but
it's
no.
impossible. It does the little, like, what are those, hexagons? I'm terrible with shapes. It does those in red, but I want the whole dome in red.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see if we can get one.
Let's see.
The red lights just turned on and the train was off by like a few seconds.
Okay, here we go. Let's see. Nope.
No, this is gonna be another dud. So pretty!
It is very pretty.
Launch! Launch! Where's Barry?
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Nope, missed it. Wait, we might get it.
Thanks, sir. Come on.
Nope.
Why? Come on.
I don't think it's gonna do it. It's gonna end. Oh, wait, maybe. Yes! We did it! Red lights and red train!
We got it!
Yes! We got it!
Finally!
As
After we missed it as we were walking away.
we were walking away and the ride was like, let me do it now. But here,
It's-
flip the
it's-
camera around again. Look at this.
It's
Oh,
and it's gone.
no, it's still going.
It's totally random.
This red looks so cool. Look at that transition to the blue.
It's totally random.
Yeah, but we got it.
We got it.
Mission accomplished at the and look, we got fireworks too.
And happily ever after.
Got the package, the full package.
There it goes.
I'm in love. Barry and I have shared our thoughts on the TRON Lightcycle Run ride. You know, a lot of people say, you know, it's great, but it's short. This kind of reincarnated my love for this ride. I've always loved this ride. It holds a
Yeah.
special place. I love Tron. So for me, this kind of
Overlay. Yeah.
this overlay kind of rekindled my love for this ride. I think this overlay is better than the original.
I
The
think it is,
Nine Inch
too.
Nails music, Daft Punk, I love you.
Yeah.
But this Nine Inch Nails just hits like it's got that roller coaster just. Oh, I don't know. It's hard to explain.
It hit so good that unlike when we originally rode it, when we got to the end, I wasn't even thinking like, oh, I wish this went around one more time. I was just so hyped.
You were on that Nine Inch
Yeah,
Nails move.
the music was perfect, just Master Control taking over, everything
Yeah.
about this. So simple. It's so simple what
Yeah.
they did.
Yeah.
But they did a good job, and I hope it runs for a while.
Yeah. No word on how long this is going to
No.
last here at the Magic Kingdom. I'm guessing it's going to run through the holiday season at least.
Yeah.
Maybe, like Barry said earlier, until the movie comes out, Tron Ares comes out on Disney Plus, or we'll have to wait and see. But
We'll have to wait and see. I mean, that would be cool in the future if every time you rode it, you didn't know what you were going to get.
oh, kind of like what's a ride that they've done that where you don't know, like I guess Cosmic Rewind. You don't know what song you're going to get.
You're not no, Cosmic Rewind and Mission Breakout.
Yeah.
You don't know what's going to happen every time.
Yeah.
So that Tron Ares overlay is now here in the Magic Kingdom.
Don't miss it.
Don't miss it.
Especially if you're a Nine Inch Nails fan.
Yeah, it still blows me away.
Yeah.
9 Inch Nails in the Magic Kingdom.
Yeah. I never in a million years would believe you if you told me there's a ride in Magic Kingdom with a Nine Inch Nails soundtrack. Just never. So
So
anyways,
that's it.
guys.
Good night from the Magic Kingdom.
Good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you as always. We'll see you guys next time.
See you soon.
Bye.